Kia ora tātou, ngā tauira me ngā huamahi e noho mai nei I tōku tau wā kāinga. As 2020 continues to present incredible challenges in light of the global pandemic, I want to pause and take time to connect with you, our doctoral candidates, alumni, and senior academics associated with our International Indigenous Doctoral Program. We are ever conscious of the ongoing toll COVID-19 is having in both Washington State, Maui, and the other islands of Hawaii, and I want you to know that we are thinking of you and send our support at this time. I'm also aware that many of you have faced personal and close losses to COVID-19. Associate Professor Mera Pinihira continues to keep me informed of your progress, and I'm greatly impressed at how so many of you have continued to pursue and thrive in your doctoral studies this year. Others, I know, have had to take time out for family and community reasons, and as a Wānanga, we support you to commit to those very important priorities. I know that the online connections via Zoom, email, and Facebook continue to keep you well informed and engaged as much as you're able, and encourage you to keep that engagement up. There have been some great keynote sessions with the likes of Professors Graham and Linda Smith, Dr. Cheryl Stevens, and I am looking forward to our up-and-coming sessions with Dr. Peter Hanuhanu, esteemed senior academic on the island of Maui. In closing, I want to congratulate Cindy Coltree, who will be our next successful graduate of the International Indigenous Doctoral Program. Well done, Cindy. We have another 3 to 4 who are very close to finishing, which is also very fantastic. So in closing, our thoughts are with you. Please keep safe over these challenging times. Nō reira, e nā hoa, e nā tauira, ko te tūmanako mā te rungarawa, hei ārahi, hei tiaki a tātou katoa. Kia ora tātou.